Naagin Hot Sauce, you know it tastes great. Move over sriracha, don't even try to hate.
So I'm going to be making a really cool sandwich where I'm going to be using boiled eggs, cucumbers, tomatoes and multigrain bread. Let's start building. So I'm just crushing these boiled eggs with a fork, to which I'm adding a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, some chopped parsley, a little bit of the Naagin Bhoot Sauce. Oops. Give this a little mix. Wow, look at that. Brilliant. To this, I'm going to be adding some nice chopped pickles in here, and I'm going to continue crushing them. Okay, so we have some toast here. Nice multigrain toast. First, we smear it with some butter. Butter तो बनता ही है. So a slice of cheese, some cucumbers, a bit of this lovely Naagin and egg. So beautiful Naagin egg salad sandwich is gonna be ready now. Next, we have put another layer, and here we put some lovely sliced tomatoes, some more of the Naagin egg pickle, voila, egg club sandwich is ready. Jalega lekin chalega.